Everyone, this is my coworker, and this is Jaden.
Hi.
I say Jaden, hi. Cheyenne and Lisa. Okay, we just a little bit. I work here almost 4 years, and I have fun with it. Work with them. Okay, it's right here. See, and this is my executive executive director.
Okay,
Yes, manager, executive manager. She's really nice. Be a boss. She understands. She have a long patience. Everyone.
Yeah, that's right.
I work here. I'm a school bus monitor. This is the driver. It's right here. What's your name?
Josh.
Jazz. And
You better tell me my name, lady. No.
Joe.
That's John.
Yeah. And this is they're talking. So I don't want to bother them. She's talking. She's right here. And this is Sandy. She did.
I did tell you.
Right, bus 27. He's right here. I worked with him for almost 4 years. Right here. See? She's the little baby right here. And the mama, she number one. Right here. They're talking right there. They're smoking. I'm gonna load this to my YouTube channel. You guys can see it. I will send it to you. There you go. The bus right here. See, look, the bus right here. See, that's a short nose bus right there. That's a long nose right there. That's bus right there. See, today we have early out. See, that's over here, right here. We have early out like sometimes like every Wednesday, but today is Thursday with the food. See, they're eating. Nice people to work with. See, the food right here.
Hi, Jessica.
Hello. See, it's the first time I work here. He trained me. This man right here. He trained me right here, but he's really good training me.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yes.
You caught me with my mouth full of food, though.
Yeah. But he's right here. I'm gonna see this. I send this to you, okay?
Okay, that'd be awesome.
And subscribe.
I will.
Okay, guys. Bye, bye, guys. Everyone, bye, bye. Thank you.
Where you going?
No, right here. I just want to turn off the video so I can eat too. Okay. Bye bye. This right here is cooking man right here. Okay. That's the mechanic right there. See, that's Mike. That's Mike right there, mechanic. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.